Oh man.
No, estoy hablando ahora con Celine.
It's a beautiful day.
Is it raining out?
A little bit.
You can't slide, you can't drive.
Yeah.
That's it.
That is dangerous operation. That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
Oh man.
No, estoy hablando ahora con Celine.
It's a beautiful day.
Is it raining out?
A little bit.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of TooFast TV. As you can see, it's raining out today. You okay, Celine?
Very good.
Yeah? A little cold out?
Now I'm in uniform.
There we go. TooFast.
Yeah. Here, spin this. Hold it, man.
That's crazy.
TooFast laundry, huh?
You're crazy. You want to set up? No, it's still here.
It's okay, we're gonna save it for later.
Before we get any further in the video, make sure you guys go down there and like the video and also leave a comment letting us know what you think. We want to hear from you guys. So let us know and let's get on with the video.
Yo, son, did it hurt?
You should have seen
They
that.
just started.
You should have saw that one coming.
I know, I really should have, but it's early, man. It's early.
You need some of this, some liquid boost.
Right? Where's mine? This is yours.
That's mine, yeah.
Why is it in my office?
Because this is my office
It's mine now.
What?
Go.
There it is. A TikToker in its natural habitat. You see how it looks for a location to film. This is very common of this species. Oh, it might have noticed us. You see how it's inspecting other people's vehicles to flex as its own. Very common of the TikToker. Oh no, he might have spotted us. Oh no, he spotted us. That's Sean. He likes to stand by himself in the rain.
All morning, like, I'm like this, in my phone, and people think I'm just on my phone, but I'm actually working.
I told him you just like to stand by yourself in the rain.
I'm not that depressed. It sucks that it's raining, though.
Why don't you go take a swim? Seems like the monkeys agree.
This monkey right here.
How's your day going, Ricardo?
What? Imagine.
See, I do a lot of the house cleaning around here.
You think he's taking a picture of that? He's actually just taking a selfie.
Nah, man.
Really? Let's see what the camera says. Oh no, look, he's actually doing work. God, no.
Gonna go get a Sea-Doo, you said?
Yeah, we got Sea-Doos for rent. TooFast rentals, baby.
Jeez.
No, not everything is an advertisement, guys. We're just letting you know.
Yeah.
We're doing this right now. You might come here and be like, oh, why is everything taken apart? These guys are TooFast or crazy. They take everything apart. No, well, you know what happened? We had it rented out and somebody jammed a rock in there.
Oh,
And
jeez.
we got a new wear ring, but we have further more damage. So this here is a wear ring. What happens is when this sits perfectly flush right at the propeller, and if a rock gets jammed in there, this ends up breaking rather than the propeller taking the damage. You know what I'm saying?
fair.
but we have furthermore damage. So all you got there is a nice looking shaft.
I can't with this guy sometimes.
Hey, can I please give you an extension number?
Tell the people where they can go watch the full video.
Yo, TooFast TV on TikTok. Yeah, we playing games all day. It's a good day.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of TooFast TV. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Please subscribe down below. It costs you guys nothing. Also, like the video if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace. TooFast TV.
Hey, yeah. He already knows what it is. I know what it is. Gang-ish. So high off this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
You can't drive. It is what it is.
Alright, so I know I told you guys to go check out our TikTok, but I really mean it. Me and Sean just spent like 5 minutes in the thunderstorm to get you guys a funny clip. So go to our TikTok and watch it and like it and share it. Don't let this man motivate.
I'm dripping wet right now.
What?